Andito tayo ngayon sa Petron SLEX. Papagas muna tayo guys. Punta tayo sa La Sofia Skyview Cafe. Pantalahin natin habang walang ulan at magandang panahon. Wala naman masyadong ginagawa kaya makakagala tayo. Nag-SLEX na ako at may gusto kong tignan sa New Valley. Pero meron pang other way to punta sa Canlubang, which is dadaan ka sa Marcos Mansions. Wal-wal mode muna para mabilis.
I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a job for me. And I want and need something that could challenge me, build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine, so I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I work to...
At nandito na nga tayo, papasok ng Kabuyao. Shoutout sa mga tropa dyan sa Calamba. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Kung naiisa-isahin. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, pero feel ko mamaya uulan. Kailan kaya makakapag-norte? Wala lang kasing makasama eh. PM dyan, gusto mag-norte. Tara. Gusto ko rin sana ma-experience mag-north loop. Ang ganda ng langit guys, oh. Blue sky. Ang ganda talaga, i-appreciate ng nature. Ang ganda dumaan dito guys, walang kalaban. Sarap ng motor. Finally, nandito na tayo. So tara, check natin yung coffee shop nila. Tutur ko kayo guys. Dito nga pala sa Barangay Casili to guys, dito sa Kabuyao. Mukhang okay dito pumesto guys. So dito na lang tayo. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito. Yan yung pinaka view deck nila guys, yung may puso. Saka yung may mga bench na. Meron pa tong taas eh. Meron pang kainan tong pwesto sa taas na. Isa pang view deck din. Pinaka tok-tok niya. Tara, merienda tayo habang ina-appreciate natin yung nature. Guys, feel free to comment yung mga gusto may i-recommend na coffee shops dito sa Laguna para ma-check natin. Ito pala yung baba nila guys. Tara ikutin natin. Ito pa yung isa nilang kainan sa taas. At ito naman yung pinaka top view deck nila. So masarap dito magpalipad ng drone. Wag lang uulan. Let's roam the sky. Maraming po salamat kung nakaabot ka sa last part na to. At pakihit na rin po yung subscribe button.
Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Yeah, time to stand up, take control tonight. Spent too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight, alright. Pull the trigger, 6, 7 figures. Making that money from the drive that's in ya. Gold digger, making money quicker. Pain is good, make your skin a little thicker. It ain't luck, anyone that's at the top, no it ain't luck. It's a grind, it's a time since the day one. It's your mind deep inside, how you stay tough, how you get back up. You put the work in and it comes back. Multiply, stack, execute and you can take that. What you want bad, it's the truth, I'm the change that you can make fact. Yeah, I've done it, it ain't luck, I can teach you. Stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright.